Continuing from the previous video, I would like to demonstrate an example of logical OR operator, which is quite similar to logical AND operator, except the fact that logical AND operator is there to check if both the Boolean expressions within an expression like this are true. Logical OR operator just checks, just ensures if any of the two expressions is true to yield an outcome of true. If both the Boolean expressions are true, logical OR operator would make the expression give an output of true, but even if one of the expressions, Boolean expressions, is false and the other Boolean expression is true, the outcome will indeed be true in that case. The only scenario in which you have a logical OR operator in an expression and the outcome will be false would be a scenario where both the Boolean expressions are false. So right now in this example, the Boolean expression on the left hand side is false and the Boolean expression on the right hand side is false. So if I use a similar kind of expression, except the fact that I will replace the logical AND with logical OR, and if I hit enter, the output will be false because both of these Boolean expressions are false. So let's make one of these Boolean expressions true, and we can do that by changing the height to 6. Now we know that this condition is false, this expression is false, but this expression would be true because height is equal to 6. We've just given height the value of 6. So let's run the expression again with this logical operator and hit enter, and we can now see that the output is true. And the output is true not because of this expression, it's mainly because of the expression on the right hand side. If I, let's say, change the height back to 7, in other words, we are making this Boolean expression false, and let me change the age to 19. So now we know that the age is 19, which is greater than 18. So this Boolean expression is true in this scenario, but this Boolean expression is false because height is 7, which is not equal to 6. So if I hit enter, the outcome again is true, and this time it's because of the expression on the left hand side. Let me change the height again to 6, and what that would do is that would basically make both the Boolean expressions true, and if I hit enter, it will be true again. And that's quite straightforward. Both of these expressions are true, so the entire expression would result in true.